Yes, guys. Yes. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all blessed. Thanks for the support on the channel. The numbers are still going up. The subscribers are still going up. And there's a lot of comments, guys. I'm glad to see majority of you are liking the videos. Some of you have said that you're sharing it. Some of you have said you love it, you like it, you enjoy it. But it's good news, guys. It's good news. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everyone who watches the videos. And if you watch them all the way through, that helps the channel grow. But don't forget to subscribe, guys. I think it's 92% of the people are not subscribed. So just tap that button, guys. Get me that numbers up. Today it's going to be a different one. Somebody did suggest this in my comments, and this is a video exploring Russia. The video is called Time to Move to Russia. Moscow releases controversial video. That's the title. The description just says it's time to move to Russia. Beautiful women, no cancel culture, economy, this, that and the other, guys. So we're checking it out, we're seeing what it's all about. That's what we do. So anything I should react to, just drop a comment, guys. Who knows? Let's see why I should move to Russia. Should I move to Russia? Should I just pack up my bag and go? Even though that's not possible, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Let's get into this. Let's get into it.
This is Russia. Delicious cuisine. Beautiful women.
You can't go wrong with those two things straight away, guys. Straight away. Cuisine, beautiful women. Who's coming to Russia, guys?
Cheap gas. Rich history. World famous literature. Unique architecture. Fertile soil. Cheap electricity and water. Ballet. Cheap taxi and delivery.
Let me know in the comments as well, guys. Are all these true? People who are watching, anybody from Russia, is the gas and water cheap? Is the taxis cheap? And what are we talking by cheap, guys? Also, anybody watching this, wherever you're from, let us know how much a taxi costs from where you're from, and we'll see. Is Russia over on the cheap side? Let us know. Whatever you want to let us know along with these facts, guys. Let us know how it is from where you are, and also let us know if these things are true. Back it up, guys. Back it up.
Traditional values. Christianity. No cancel culture. Hospitality. Vodka. Economy that can withstand thousands of sanctions. Time to move to Russia. Don't delay. Winter is coming.
Oh, we're saying don't delay. You need to get there before winter comes. I can't lie, guys. It's pretty persuading. It's pretty persuading. If I could just... that bunch of facts would make me go. But I'm relying on you guys to let me know what's true. Let me know if it's all true. Let me know if some things are over exaggerated or what. I want to know these facts, guys. Also, any other places we should visit, react to, check out, explore. Let me know, guys. Been doing a lot of these videos on the channel. Been getting a lot of support. Most of my viewers are from Russia. and this is what has been suggested, guys. So this is where we're going, this is where we went, this is where we are now, and I've got to get back home. So thank you for the video, thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for the time. Whoever's watched the video all the way through, thank you for that. You can check my playlist out, drop a subscribe, more videos coming, guys. Stay safe.